Namaskar dosto. Today is 26th August 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market. On this specific video on daily basis, I disclose my trade plan for the Nifty for the coming trading session, review my today's trade and share my learning and MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Was trying to do something new today. Thought that I will go live, but then I think I still need to work out a little bit more. So let's get back to our market. So it looks like that market has started consolidating now at the top end of the range, which is at 16705. And let's see from here where Lalaji is taking us. But before we get into detail of that, let's have a look into global market. So when we look into global market, what we see is that S&P 500 is showing some sign of weakness today and is forming the first red bar. So this is definitely not a good sign for tomorrow. Could be a small term weakness. That could be because US government 10 bond yield has now after many days has crossed above 200 bar and above 50 bar moving average, and now it is going in uptrend. So US government 10 bond yield has started moving up, which is definitely not a good sign for all the equity market globally. When we look into dollar index also has taken a support on 20 bar and it is starting moving up. So this is also not a good sign for the emerging market like India, specifically Bank Nifty. So the global signals are not looking very good today. Now when we look into Bank Nifty, we see that Bank Nifty has closed today below 8 bar and 20 bar. So definitely now it is in downtrend, but it has a now very good support at 35,412. So this is a weekly pivot as well as 50 bar moving average is coming up. Uh, Weekly H3. So 35,400 will definitely be a very strong support for Bank Nifty. So till the time 35,400 is not broken, the Bank Nifty is definitely in a safe zone. But as far as the moving average is concerned, it is now in downward direction. Reliance is continuing his super trend. Now is almost started running on 8 bar moving average. So absolutely no problem in Reliance as of now. HDFC Bank is still finding it difficult to break 1565 and has now started consolidating between my blue and black magical line. I use a fairly simple trade setup. If you want to know more about my trade setup, then please check out my video called Trade Setup Explanation on my YouTube channel, Trade Plan Nifty. So global signals are not looking good. Local signals are, except Bank Nifty, things are looking quite all right to me. So it is somewhere mixed signal. So let's see how it goes from here. Now on weekly chart, when we see that a big green bar is getting formed, and it is almost a green bar is getting formed, and it has already touched a weekly pivot, and now 8 bar moving average is catching up, which is at 16141. So on weekly, definitely the market is in uptrend. On daily chart, after yesterday's reversal pattern week, today what we have seen is the some kind of doji which is formed here, but closing is just above yesterday's close, so the candle is green. So this is again some kind of consolidation or not a very clear signal what is happening here. But now 8 bar moving average on daily chart is at 16575. So and 16509 is a weekly pivot. So definitely 16500 is a good support for market for a coming few trading session. And on top side 16705 is a resistance. So now market is playing between, actually if you see, between 16630 and 16705. But on daily chart, definitely it is still in uptrend. On 15-minute chart, when we see a sign of weakness, and today Lalaji has closed above 8 bar but below 20 and below 50 bar moving average. So here the trend is definitely in downward direction. And today market has clearly taken a support on daily L3 and a weekly H4. Now let's try to confirm this view by looking into market profile. So when we look into market profile, we see that tomorrow is again a very narrow pivot, just almost around zero point 0.4 as a contraction indication, and 0.49, and the tomorrow's pivot is below today's pivot. So here the trend is downward direction. So the market profile is giving a downward direction trend on 15-minute chart. Also, the trend is downward. So in near term, there is a smaller time frame for which I will trade tomorrow. The trend seems like downward. But let's see where market opens. So when we look into SGX, we see that SGX is currently at 16664. So for tomorrow, we have two options. The first option is where the market is going to open. So the market is going to open above pivot, which is at 16641. So for tomorrow, the pivot is at 16641. So if the opening is above pivot, then it becomes buy on dip, either at pivot, which is at 16641, or at L3, which is at 16615, and at L4, which is at 16592. The best scenario is that it will, if it opening above pivot, the best scenario is that it corrects, come down to previous day low, that is closer to 16,600, and here you find a reversal pattern, and we enter here for a target of 16705. So if the open is above pivot, which is at 16641, then the idea is buy on dip, either at pivot or at L3, which is at 16615, and at H4, which is at L4, which is at 16592. That is previous day low, so 16,600 for a target of 16705. Second thing which could also happen is that market will open above pivot and you have 15-minute breakout, and market will start moving towards R3, which is at 16760. So in that case, a 15-minute breakout is also some trade which one would like to take, but I'm not very confident of taking that particular trade. So I will look for as a defensive trader to go for a buy on dip, either at pivot or at L3, which is at 16615. Option 2 is that it will open below pivot, which is at 16641. In that scenario, idea is to sell on rise, either at pivot, which is at 16641, or at H3, which is at 16659, which is also closer to 50 bar moving average. So 16659 and 50 bar is at 16654. And if it goes above, then the best possible scenario is sell at H4, which is at 16592, which is also closer to today's high, for the with a stop loss of 16710 for a target of 16540, and the first target of 16590. So if the open is below pivot, then sell on rise, either at pivot or at H3, which is at 16659, and best possible scenario is 16682 for a target of 16590 and 16540. So please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Now let's see what happened today. So today we enter a market with three possible option in our mind, and market actually opened on our third option, which was that it opened below pivot. So it opened somewhere here, and then if it was opening below pivot, then my trade plan was to sell on rise, and that's exactly what I did. So I entered, I did not take this move up, and then this week was formed. So this is my engage reversal setup week, so reversal setup 2, and exactly at the end of this week on doji I shorted my first lot. Then the market went down, then it went up, and then again on this particular start of the red bar I shorted the second lot. Then market went up, went down, and when this green bar came up and it crossed this 8 bar moving average, at the end of this green bar I exited both the lots. So I made around 1,000 rupees profit, and these are my orders. So the first sell, second sell. I tried to short one more lot on this particular red bar, but my order didn't get executed. So that was that cancel order, and then eventually buying 100 quantity and covering up the position. So idea there was no point that I'm carrying shorts home. So that's how my day went. The trade plan went quite well. It touched day L3 and reversed. So kind of narrow day. Not a narrow day. It's quite alright day, but still I was a learning. Fundamental learning is that after 2 o'clock on an intraday basis, one should look forward to start booking profit. So when this big red bar happened and then when this green bar happened, this is the engage reversal setup once, and it happened exactly at L3. So this was a clear indication that market are reversing from here, and I should have exited my position at the start of this green bar and would have should have made around at least 3000 rupees here, or I should have kept my stop loss above previous day low and got out of the trade. So that's the where I lost on my profit. So that's the learning, that after 2 o'clock, look for an opportunity to exit if the idea is not to carry position home. So at 2 o'clock, I should decide whether I'm going to carry my position home or I'm going to exit. And then after 2 o'clock, I should look forward for better exit strategy. So that's the learning for me today. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Welcome to all my new followers. Do let me know in comment section what do you think about today's trade plan. Uh, Please like, share, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel Trade Plan Nifty. It's a like and comments which motivates me to come and make this video on daily basis here. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.